Nikolas TV.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to
Nikolas TV.
what we have today.
Monster truck.
Monster truck.
Monster truck is crushing him.
Okay, let's open monster truck. Be careful with those. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
What's going on?
What's going on? Ah! Woohoo! And here's our monster giant car. Let me see. Let me show it to the kids. Okay. Boom! Look at that tires. Oh my God! Look at that. What it says in here? What do you see in here? What is that? Monkey. So this is gas monkey garage. Here we go, monkey. What monkey sounds? How monkey sounds? Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Okay. Okay. Let's build this and you jump on it. 1, 2, 3, jump on it. Oh, crash, big crash. Woohoo! Okay. Okay, let's build the higher labyrinth. Let's build the higher ones. Hold on, don't rush yet. Let me see the tires. Did you see this?
A big tire.
Big tires. What color are they?
Green.
Tires. No, tires are black. Okay. No, not yet. Not yet. Look at that. Let's build like this. No, higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher. Monster truck. Monster truck. Go jump. Oh, there we go. Good job, Nico. Good job. Good job. How many holes do you see in here? How many holes do you see in here? 1, 2.
A beaver.
See? Monster truck matches our
2.
Yeah. Okay, let's build it again. Okay, 1. Nico, get ready. 1, 2,